Yay! It's a beautiful morning in Town Park. Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman are preparing for a pleasant day at work. It's a wonderful day, Doberman. This park is always the most fun place. That's right, Labrador. But we must always be vigilant. Something might need our help.
Suddenly, from a bush, a moaning sound comes.
A stray cat is trapped.
Oh no! We have to help this cat right now. Let me help you pull it out. Come on, Doberman. Just a little more. Don't worry. You'll be all right. Hold them steady, Officer Doberman. Got it. I see the little one. Be gentle. Here we go. Don't worry. We've got you, little friend.
Oh, there you are, little one.
Don't worry. We've got you now.
You're free now.
Oh, go ahead, little friend.
Thank you for finding me, Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman. I am so grateful.
Well done, Doberman. Well done, Doberman. The park is safe again.
With the wonderful cooperation between Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman, everything in the park is now joyful and peaceful.
Thank you for watching. Let's always help each other, like Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman. The afternoon at the park is so lively. Sheriff Labrador and Sheriff Papillon are keeping the little ones safe.
The park is so lively today. I can't see my mom.
It's okay, calm down. Let's find your parents together. Do you remember what color shirt your mother was wearing?
A pink shirt.
This is the easiest spot to see.
Attention, park goers. It's time for a safety break. Can everyone see me clearly?
Is anyone looking for the kitten?
Papillon to Papillon, there's been a message. Everyone needs to stop and look around.
Did you hear that? Where are you? Oh. Meow. Meow. Oh, there you are. It's safe here.
You're here! Thank you so much!
Mom!
Thank you, Sheriff.
I found my mother.
Well done for standing still.
Meow, meow.
Purr.
You are safe now. Remember to always hold an adult's paw.
We're glad you're safe. Have a good day.
Thank you, Sheriff.
A quiet morning at the town library. This is where people come to read and learn.
Look at this story, Labrador.
This book is so good.
Hello, everyone. I brought my favorite book to share.
Oh my.
All right, friends, let's keep our voices down now. Shh. I understand you're curious about the library. Look at this interesting book right here.
Oh, I see it now.
In the library, let's speak softly so as not to disturb others.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You see, little bear? When we read silently, we let our minds explore the story quietly. Keep quiet in the library, please. It helps everyone enjoy reading. Speaking softly makes reading more enjoyable. Oh. Correct, little bear. That's the perfect way to sit. Oh.
Here's a new book, little bear.
Thank you, Sheriff Labrador. It looks wonderful.
quiet is so nice. Time to go, Papillon.
Yes, Sheriff Labrador. Let's be very quiet.
Keep the library tidy.
And remember to whisper.
That's showing respect. Be polite everywhere.
See you next time. As night falls, Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman continue their duty to protect the town.
On a rainy night like this, we need to be careful on every street corner.
We will, officer. Time to proceed, officer. Looks like the rain is picking up. Yes, Sheriff. Stay safe out there.
Are you lost, little one? Don't worry, I'm here to help you.
It's very cold in the rain. Stay close to me. Do you remember where your house is?
The bakery with the yellow lights.
We'll handle this, little one.
Right, Sheriff.
No worries. Let's go.
I'll keep you dry, little rabbit.
Thanks, Officer Doberman and Sheriff Labrador. The bakery is just ahead. Looks warm and safe. Perfect spot. They'll appreciate the help.
Oh, yay! There it is. My house is nearby. Whoa! That's wonderful, little one.
Good. We're here. We're here.
Yeah!
Well, little rabbit, looks like we made it just in time.
So glad you're home safe.
Oh, little rabbit, we were so worried.
Thank you, Sheriff Labrador. Thank you, Officer Doberman.
Next time you get lost, stand still and ask the police for help.
Always remember that, little rabbit.
Rabbit. Yes.
I remember.
A beautiful summer day at the town beach. Chief Labrador and Officer Doberman are keeping everyone safe. There are many little ones here today.
The waves are coming.
This area isn't safe to stand in for long.
See that flag? We're playing in the safe area.
Oh, I didn't notice. Oh.
Always check the flag, little turtle. Playing further from the water's edge is safer. Keep an eye on the wave patterns and always stay alert for potential dangers at the beach.
Building sandcastles here is fun too.
Oh, Lydia. Papa.
Oh, thank goodness.
It's all right now. I won't go any further.
Welcome, turtles, to our circle of safety.
We're so glad you're here to learn with us.
Let's begin with beach safety rules. Time to go home. Thank you for building your sandcastle in the safe zone. See you next time, little turtle. The safe zone is perfectly clear today. Looks good, Chief. Everyone's playing safe, exactly as we planned.
Playing in designated areas keeps everyone happy and safe.
Remember, safety first.
Mission accomplished. Accomplished.
I want to go home.
A sudden heavy rain has fallen on town.
Chief Labrador and Chief Papillon
Are helping people find safe shelter. Don't worry, little friend. Let's get you to safety. Follow me.
It's okay, little one. I'm here to help you.
It's dangerous. It's dangerous to run so close to the road in the rain.
Come inside.
It's safer here.
Okay, little friend, almost there. Just a few steps more.
Watch for the bus, Sheriff Papillon.
When it rains, we should wait in a sheltered place.
Don't run out into the road, even with a raincoat.
It's much safer here under the shelter.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are, my little one.
Mama,
Are you safe and happy now?
I waited at the station just like you two. No, that's wonderful, dear.
The rain is getting lighter, and the sign is ready. Our ride is almost here.
Yay! The bus arrives. The town returns to peace.
The bus has stopped. Remember to hold hands and walk safely.
Good job, everyone.
And wave goodbye to the sheriff.
Remember, safety is always more important than gold.
Mission accomplished.
Nicely done, Sheriff Papillon. Yeah.
Nicely done, Sheriff Papillon.
Today, Sheriff Labrador and Sheriff Papillon came to the farm to make sure everything is safe.
The farm is so big.
I want to see what's inside.
This area is for adults only.
That's right. The grown-ups need to work here.
There are many sharp and heavy objects in the shed. It's very dangerous. Come here, little one.
Oh, I didn't know.
That's okay, little one. We can help you understand.
It's safer for us to play in this area. There's delicious grass here too.
That's great. Thank you for reminding my child.
I won't run away on my own again.
Gad! Good job, little friend. That's the correct way to cross the street.
They're safe now.
Yeah.
Yes, another mission accomplished.
Playing is fun, especially when we are safe inside the enclosure. Great job, little one! Everywhere, playing in the right place is always safe.
Hi. Remember to listen to the adults.
Everyone looks a little confused.
No need to worry. We will help everyone cross safely.
We must wait the signal, Duck. Looking both ways helps us stay safe.
Please, everyone, stop for a moment.
When the lights go out, we need to look carefully and wait for instructions.
Look left, look right, and then look again.
Go. Stop, look left, look right, look left again. Then cross safely. Waiting is really safer.
Another job well done, Papillon.
Yes, Sheriff, it's always worth it.
Okay, little friends, see the red light? That means we must stop and wait safely.
Oh, I see. A red light means wait, and I should cross on a green light.
No matter what happens, safety is always paramount.
Always keep your eyes open and look out for others.
Thank you, Sheriff.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Stay safe, little ducklongs. See you later.
Situation appears resolved. Good work. Mission accomplished. The town supermarket is so lively today. Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman are on duty maintaining order. Stop, little one. It's not safe to ride that cart so fast in here. Pushing the cart fast in the supermarket isn't safe. Do you see how high the shelves are? It would be very dangerous if they fell.
I didn't know.
Walk slowly, keep your hands on the cart, and stay close to your parents.
Keep your eyes ahead and push slowly and steadily.
Excellent precision, Officer Doberman. Remember to maintain a straight path.
Yes. I will walk slowly. Mom, Dad,
Oh dear. Are you all right?
We saw what happened. It's okay. We're here. Thank you, officers.
I'm sorry. I'll be more careful.
Thank you for apologizing, little monkey. Remember to always hold hands in busy places.
I like this one, Daddy.
Good choice, son.
Let's keep walking nicely, dear.
Another job well done, officer.
Indeed, Sheriff. Stay safe, everyone.
Just pay attention and follow the rules, and shopping will always be fun and safe.
Remember, order makes everyone happy.
Mission accomplished! The town library is a quiet place to learn and read. Absolute silence is required here.
Wow! Look at that one! It's so big and colorful! Oh, what's next? This book is so good! I just love the pictures! You have to see this one.
In the library, let's speak softly so as not to disturb others.
You did a great job today, but remember, running inside the library isn't safe.
Always walk quietly so others can read.
I understand. I'll remember next time.
Keep quiet in the library, everyone.
Officer Doberman is here to show us the right way to behave in the library. See how he chooses a book slowly and quietly? Now, Han?
Now, do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Well done, little panda. Yes, that's better.
Quiet is so pleasant.
Good. Everywhere. Think of those around you.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. The time is where everyone is where enjoys this delicious.
Look at this. Always check that your lunch is packed safe.
The food smells so good. I'm so hungry.
Wait a minute, little one.
Wait a minute, one.
Be careful, puppy. That floor can be slippery. Keep your paws steady, little one.
Running around the dining room makes it easy to spill food. Going slow is safer for everyone.
That's right.
Now this is how we sit properly. Wow. Sitting still and chewing slowly is better for your stomach. You're doing great. Keep it up.
Yes, that's it. See?
Eating slowly tastes better too. Excellent table manners, little one.
Keep up the good work. Eating politely makes meals fun and safe.
Remember, eat slowly and walk quietly.